Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put up a ceiling grid. First, accurately measure your room's length and width to determine the total square footage. This helps you calculate the exact number of main tees, cross tees, and wall angle pieces you will need. Remember to account for any obstacles like light fixtures or vents in your design. Proper planning ensures a smooth installation process and a professional finish for your new ceiling. Next, establish a perfectly level line around the entire perimeter of your room. This line will guide the placement of your wall angle, which you'll secure to the wall studs using screws or nails, spaced about every 2 feet. Then, install hanger wires from the overhead structure, typically spaced 4 feet apart along the main T lines. These wires provide crucial support for your entire grid system. Now, it's time to assemble the grid framework. Begin by attaching the main tees to your hanger wires, ensuring each one is perfectly level across the room. Once the main tees are in place, you can start inserting the cross tees. These will snap into the pre-cut slots on the main tees, forming your desired grid pattern, commonly 2 feet by 2 feet or 2 feet by 4 feet squares. This creates the structure for your ceiling tiles. Finally, you're ready to install your ceiling tiles. Gently lift each tile, angle it through the grid opening, and then carefully lower it into place. For the perimeter, you will likely need to cut tiles to fit precisely using a sharp utility knife. After all tiles are installed, take a moment to inspect the entire ceiling for any misalignments or unevenness. Make any final adjustments to ensure a beautiful, finished look.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.